Cashew Express and Budget Tracker app overview. So if you want to use Cashew Expense and Budget Tracker app, then what you need to do is you just need something, make sure that you have a stable internet connection at first. After that, open up your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Cashew Expense Budget Tracker. This is the app you would be looking for, which is Cashew Expense and Budget Tracker. This is where you'll be able to track your budget and finances. This app is easily available on Play Store and App Store for free. You just need something, go and install it. Then you have to insert or put the transaction of your wallet, euros, or even Bitcoin. Then you will get the powerful insights on your expenses. You'll be able to track your expenses like this, and it will help you manage your finances better. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.